What if every single lead that fills your form gets personalized email just under in 5 seconds? That sounds like you personally wrote it. So no virtual assistant, no paid tools, no developer, free and forever. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build that from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a live working AI agent running on your own account. You are going to build 5 nodes, use 2 AI agents, and total cost is 0 rupees. So let's go build this. So hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Today Things. Today in this video we are going to do a tutorial on n8n and with Gemini model. So yeah, let's get started. Before I touch anything, here is the full picture of what we are building now. So you will be having 5 nodes in one n8n workflow. So n8n form is the first thing, captures the lead's name, email and the concern, their budget. So next, AI agent 1, we call it as a classifier, reads the form and returns the JSON, like who is the lead in these details. Next, Google Sheets logs every lead automatically, your free CRM. Next one is AI agent 2, that is a copywriter, takes agents first agent's output and writes a personal email. So here we do like email, the final step, sends it, and that is done. So here 2 AIs talking to each other. That's what multi-agent automation actually means. Not theory. This is it. Simple. So yeah, the first thing here is you need an n8n account to do this. It's completely free. Here is how you can do it in 2 minutes. Go to n8n.cloud or AI. Click start for free. Sign up with your email or Google account. So no card is needed at the creation of your account. So once you are in, you land on a dashboard. Click a new workflow at the right corner. So you will see a blank canvas. This is where you are going to build your workflows. The free trial here is like 5,000 workflows you can execute per month. So go and select a free trial, which will be a 14 days trial. For what you are building today, and for like most small businesses, you will never hit that limit, right? 5,000 means 5,000 times someone fills your form and gets an email back. So that's like lot of leads. One quick thing here, like if you are on the work Google account like company or a workspace account, it sometimes blocks n8n's mail connection. So if that happens, you just sign up with your personal Gmail. That will work perfectly. Okay, so yeah, all right, we are in n8n now. So now the second thing you need to here do is like a free Gemini API you need to get. So for that you need to go to aistudio.google.com, sign in with your Google account. On the left bar you will see and get API key. So just click that and then click create API key. So choose any project or just accept the default one. Copy the key and it starts with ALZASY. So paste it somewhere safe like note apps, like password manager or anywhere. You will need it in few minutes. Okay, this will gives you free access to a Gemini 2.5 Flash model, so which is a Google's fast AI model. Okay, free trial here is about like 1,500 requests a day, like that. So it resets every 24 hours. That is more than enough for now. So no card, no top up, just your Google account. So that's it. So we are back in n8n. So here what we have to do is click on the plus button and search on form submission. So that which is the first step, right? Here add 4 fields in this order, like name as required test, email as required email, skin concern as a required drop down with options like dry, oily, acne and anti-aging, and budget as required drop down with options like under 500 to 1500 and 1500 plus. You can write your own options. So here you need to hit an test step. So it will execute. So n8n instantly give a public URL for you. No website, no hosting needed. Open that URL in the new tab. So fill it with the test data, like test lead. So now you are using a like Priya Sharma, priya@gmail.com, dry skin, and skin concern is dry skin, and next budget is 500 to 1500 budget. So that's it, submit. So back in n8n you will see the capture data in the output panel. So that is your lead live. So live lead you got now. So now the first AI brain here, like plus. After the form node you need to click on plus, the search like Google Gemini. So in that you need to choose a like a message a model. So for that you need to credentials you need to do give here. Click on new, paste your API key which you have saved earlier, just paste it. Set resource to chat, operation to message model to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, so now rename this model, like right click on that and just click like rename. So call it as a classifier, that's it. So this matters because we are adding a second Gemini node later, right? So that's why this will matter, like we can give a name to it. So and then expression will get like confusing if both are using the same thing. Okay, so that's why. So now paste this prompt. I will leave that description so you can copy it directly. So here the classifier will read this prompt and that will do the operation. Next you need to do like hit the test button. Next here also you need to execute. So you need to see a JSON, you will be seeing a JSON output file here, like persona service will be like budget match, recommended product will be something like that, customer mood will be warm, like that. So that's AI agent 1 is doing its job. It reads Priya's form data and classified her, like in which category, like budget match or not, like which category he comes under and what is the product we going to recommend for that lead, like that. Okay, so this node logs everything to the Google Sheet. Now your free CRM. So first open the sheets in your new tab, rename it as like a Glow Naturals or something, leads. Add this to your header row, like timestamp, name, email, concern, a budget, persona, product mode, like this. You can add some fields. So you are now back into n8n. So here I add like Google Sheets. Next node as Google Sheets. So authenticate your Google account. So your Google Sheet will be available to your n8n. So set the resource to Sheets within the document. You can provide the link there. So operation to append row. So now you need to select your sheet. So each column you need to map an expression. I will show you like each on the screen. You will put them in the description, or I will put in the description if you ask me. Yeah, comment it down below, or you can just see in the screen and you can just do the same. So next, test this, like execute this particular node, like check your Google Sheet. So now the row appears instantly. So every feature lead, like every feature lead will automatically come and land in your Excel sheet. Whenever any lead fills a form, that will come in your sheet now. So this is the automation thing which we have done till now. So this moment everything comes together. Okay, now finally add another Google Gemini node, same credentials, same model. So you can just rename it as copywriter as of now. So this model's job is to take the agent's first JSON, the persona, the product and the mood, and then it turns into a warm personal email in your brand's voice. Like, so I have written even the prompt. So this is the prompt. So you no need to bother about the prompt. Whatever the your brand and whatever how the email structure you want, you can just write your own description. If not, you are not creating the particular same thing, you can write your prompt as per your business requirement. Okay, so now read the copywriter prompt on the screen which is available there. You can read out and you can use the same. Okay, I will add it in the description. So notice what's happening here, like agent 2's prompt including expression pulling data from agent 1's output. This is two AI agents collaborating in one workflow. So agent 1 decides who the lead is and agent 2 decides what to say to them. So execute this step, like test it, read the outputs out loud, and it should sound like human because the prompt tells it to write like a real person, not a robot. In the prompt we have already mentioned, like if you are not clear with the persona or any kind of any issues, you need to send like a we will be manually reaching out to in 4 hours, like that. We have written a some like error exception thing, like if anything fails we need to send these kind of things, we need to add that in the prompt. So other things also, whatever you want, everything you can tell the AI just in your natural language, it will do accordingly. So last node, now add Gmail, authenticate with what. So set operation to like send a message, go and search with like a Gmail and operation to a send a message. So to feel like expressions pulling from email from the form, like subject hi and the name of the lead, and your match is here, like that. So body is the expression pulling will be there here. So the body comes from these expressions, and next agents to output, that is literally one expression which is the message given by the agent 2. Okay, So now turn off n8n attributes in options so the email looks clean. So yeah, test it. Go to your inbox, within 5 seconds the email lands. So read it. It sounds like a real person wrote it to some persons like Priya, which is your lead especially. So like this you can work with n8n automation thing. Toggle the workflow to active it's live. Whenever you click on active it's live, like form is public. Now we are going to submit 3 completely different leads, like Priya at the budget shopper, Arjun tied budget acne case, and then Media the premium buyer. The 3 completely different email will land. So you can also go beyond this also. So you will get an message like it will come back to you in 4 days, like manual email will be sent by the owner, like that. Okay, so this is how we can deal with the leads, like different leads, different emails, different products. So all personalized, all automatic, all free. You just have built a 2-agent AI automation system for your business for free in less than few minutes. So this is what the future of running a small business look like. Not you manually replying to every lead at midnight. Automated, personalized, always on. If this helps you, please like this video. It genuinely helps more people find it. Subscribe, because next week I'm going to cover like creating new agents, some ideas, like let's see like how this will go. All the prompts, the workflows, and the Google Sheet templates are linked in the description. So everything you need will be there. So let me know in the comment section if you need any prompts or kind of things. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.